Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance oil life for your display. So first you're going to make sure the vehicle's on, which this one's currently on, and then we're going to be watching in this little area as we use these buttons to toggle between all the options. So we'll start by using this button to scroll between the different menu options. So we've made it here. And then now we'll use this to toggle up and down, and then to push enter to enter certain options. So now I'm scrolling down, doing that just this way. So again, scroll down, and then I'm pushing that in for enter for maintenance. And then service is for this oil service, so we'll push enter again. And I'm just pushing this. And then here, right now it's set so it doesn't calculate it. So you just go into each one if you want it to, push enter, and then you'll change it to a certain amount of miles you'd like a warning to come on if you do want that to. And then in the first one there, you would just obviously make sure it's reset so you've got the full counter. And then we'll say, I don't know why you'd want it that amount, but we'll say that, and then you just reset it and it would go back to this 0. But I'll set it back so it doesn't keep track. As long as you're keeping track yourself. Often like a window sticker is a great way to do it, because it shows you what mileage you had it changed and when it's suggested again. But I hope this video was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.